Hello guys, today's video we are going to see about the Linux user expiry task. So this task is overview like we have to create a user which has some sort of expiry date. So in production environment, when you are giving access to some guest people, you used to create a users like this. So directly let's go into the task. Let's log in the app server one. So we have logged in the server. First we will check if that user is present or not. So there is no user. We'll create the user. User add Anita. So ID Anita. Now the user is present. We'll set password for this user. Password Anita. I'm giving 1234. Enter. Password is shorter than 8 characters. 1234. Okay, we have given the password also. We'll set the expiration date. Change. So it is not, we are changing it, but the command is change. Hyphen E, capital E. This is the expiration date. So they told us to, this is the date we have to set it. Hey, it is not getting copied. Now we have given for which user, Anita. So now the task should get success. So we'll verify. See, the task is success. We'll see you in next video.